Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to update Ledger Nano X Firmware Easy Guide. First, back up your recovery phrase and confirm your device battery is above 50%. Next, install the Ledger Live app and connect your Nano X via USB or Bluetooth. Follow prompts to check for firmware updates, verify change details on the device screen, and confirm updates. Stay patient during install and avoid disconnecting the device until completion. Before updating, organize your workspace and gather everything you need to avoid interruptions. Make sure Ledger Live is up to date and your computer recognizes the Nano X. Verify your recovery phrase is complete and stored offline in a safe place, not on any device. Charge the Ledger to at least 50% and use a direct USB connection or a stable Bluetooth pairing if you prefer wireless. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future content. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with responsible crypto security habits. It's a compact read that helps you think long-term about savings and investing, which complements safeguarding assets on a hardware wallet. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When the update appears in Ledger Live, click Install and follow on-screen instructions while watching your device. Confirm each prompt directly on the Nano X to ensure you approve changes. The app may ask for the recovery phrase only in extreme recovery situations. Do not enter it unless explicitly required. If the update fails, retry after restarting both your computer and device, and consult support if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.